Hey there! Today we're going to tackle a common problem that many Python users face when working with time periods. So, the problem we have at hand is the need to create a custom time period using pandas.Period with given starting and ending times. Now, let's delve into the solution. This straightforward approach I'm going to show you involves utilizing the pd.Period function with a specific parameter setup. By simply passing the starting time and calculating the frequency as the difference between the ending time and the starting time, you can effortlessly create the desired custom time period. This method allows you to generate the custom time period efficiently without the need to calculate the duration in minutes or perform any additional steps. It's a simple and elegant solution that streamlines the process. By implementing this code snippet, you'll obtain a period object that encapsulates the specified time span, providing you with a clear representation of the custom time period. In addition, I'll also show you a handy function cust_period that encapsulates this logic, allowing you to easily create custom time periods by passing the start and end times as arguments. This function enhances reusability and readability, making your code more concise and maintainable. To wrap it up, we've explored a practical solution to the initial problem by leveraging the capabilities of pandas.Period. By utilizing the straightforward approach in a reusable function, you can efficiently create custom time periods tailored to your requirements. I hope you found this information helpful. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. See you next time.